Are you looking for a work from home job at Google? Google offers many remote positions across various departments like engineering, marketing, and sales. This video will guide you through finding and applying for these roles, focusing on using filters, setting up alerts, and crafting effective applications using the most up-to-date 2025 data. Google provides numerous remote work opportunities, especially in technical and business roles. Positions are available in departments such as engineering, marketing, and sales, with many fully remote options. The guide focuses on three key areas: using career filters to find remote roles, setting up smart job alerts, and crafting effective applications. We'll use the latest 2025 data to help you navigate Google's remote job opportunities successfully. Google has significantly expanded its remote work options. As of 2025, over 60% of Google's global workforce has access to remote or flexible arrangements. Jobs are classified as remote eligible, meaning fully remote, hybrid with some office time, or office-based. Most US and select international roles in tech, operations, and support are remote eligible. Keep in mind, hands-on roles like data center maintenance are not remote. The Google Careers site at careers.google.com is your primary tool for finding remote opportunities. Start by visiting this site to access their comprehensive job listings. Here you can see the Google Jobs search page with various filter options. Use the location filter to select remote or flexible to specifically find work-from-home positions. Narrow your search further by filtering by job category. Choose from options like engineering, sales, or marketing to match your expertise and interests. For example, this shows a senior product manager role listed as remote in Oregon, demonstrating how location filters work in practice. Use the experience level filter to match your career stage, from entry-level positions to senior roles. Google's engineering ladder shows the progression available. Finally, input keywords like work from home or specific skills such as Python developer to refine your search even further. This helps you find the most relevant remote opportunities at Google. To set up smart job alerts for Google remote positions, start by creating an account on the Google Careers page. This allows you to access personalized features and save your preferences. Once you have an account, you can customize your job alerts by setting the frequency to daily or weekly and specify criteria such as job type, location, and experience level. This ensures you only receive notifications for roles that match your interests. In 2025, Google introduced Smart Alerts, which leverage machine learning to analyze your viewing behavior and send notifications for relevant openings you might have missed. This intelligent system helps you discover opportunities tailored to your preferences. Remember that Google refreshes job postings weekly, so staying vigilant with your alerts will help you catch new opportunities as they become available. To craft a winning application for remote Google jobs, start by tailoring your resume to showcase remote-friendly skills. Highlight self-motivation, proficiency with virtual collaboration tools like Google Workspace, and experiences working independently and collaboratively in virtual environments. Prepare a cover letter that clearly articulates your interest in remote work and demonstrates your suitability for the specific role. For example, emphasize your experience with Google Workspace tools in your application materials. Virtual interviews at Google typically take place through Google Meet, Google's video conferencing platform. This allows candidates to connect from anywhere with a stable internet connection. Expect behavioral questions that assess your remote work experience and skills. These questions focus on past situations to predict future performance in a distributed environment. Showcase your ability to communicate effectively in virtual settings, manage your time independently, and maintain productivity without constant supervision. Practice using virtual collaboration tools like Google Meet, Docs, and Workspace to demonstrate your comfort with remote communication platforms. Research shows that effective remote workers report higher job satisfaction and productivity, as seen in studies of remote work behaviors. Leverage LinkedIn to connect with Google employees. Build professional relationships by reaching out to current staff and alumni. Consider joining groups like Google Remote Workers for insider tips on remote opportunities and company culture. Google prioritizes diversity and inclusion in its hiring process. Take advantage of these initiatives to highlight your background. Applicants can indicate preferences for accommodations or sponsorship to ensure fair consideration of all candidates. Use these networking and diversity initiatives to showcase your unique perspective and qualifications in your applications. Remote work at Google is trending toward integration with AI and sustainability. AI tools like Google's Gemini are becoming standard for job matching, helping candidates find the perfect remote opportunities through advanced algorithms. Experts predict that hybrid models will dominate the future, blending remote freedom with in-office collaboration for innovation and team building. Google's strong commitment to flexibility positions it favorably in the evolving landscape of remote work, ensuring continued opportunities for remote professionals worldwide. Good luck with your job search.